Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Kartier Phaces. And I want you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get an update whenever I post any new content. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag.
See me, hold on, wait. Let him get into it right quick. You see me. Hold on, wait, somebody in my business, y'all.
And I also got a cute scarf, and we're gonna try to attempt to put it on while on camera. This big box, bigger than me. So I'm just gonna open up the box. Comes like that. The bag is inside a duster bag that you usually store it in. And when these bags come, the leather on it is pretty tan. As you can see, I got the classic classic monogram on it, and the red interior. Red is one of my favorite colors, hence the red lippy for the day. And this bag actually comes with a wristlet also. The wristlet you can put on your hand, so you can use a wristlet sometimes and just run out of the house or run wherever to go, or you can take both of them and just use that for a wallet maybe, and you can just, you know, the leather is pretty sturdy. The bag does have a lot of space in it. I purchased an organizer from Amazon, and the organizer is going to help keep the bag shape, because right now the bag is, you know, not gonna hold the shape. If I put anything in here right now, it'll just sink to the bottom, and I'll have to be digging around the bag trying to figure out, you know, what I need. So I got an organizer from Amazon. I already put some stuff in it to make sure the organizer holds its shape as well. And I'm just going to put it into this bag. Okay. So you guys are unboxing this with me, because this is the first time I've even used the bag. I purchased it from Holt Renfrew because I'm here in Canada. I purchased the bag from Holt Renfrew, Louis Vuitton store in Holt Renfrew at Yorkdale. So the bag now has some structure to it, and they have these tassels on the side also. You can take these tassels, and I think people, what they do with it is they cinch the bag in a bit. I'm just gonna do it so I can show you guys. I'm probably not gonna wear my bag like this, but I guess it's a thing that people do. Okay. Okay, so that's how it looks if you put the tassel on the inside. I mean, I said I won't do it like that, but then again, it's so cute. It gives the bag a different shape, like it's a whole different bag. This bag, unfortunately, does not come with a zipper. If you're looking for a bag with a zipper, it just comes with these, with the clasp. You just hook the clasp. So that is how that is set up. The bag overall is really cute. It is a nice leather. Apparently too, from like wearing it for a long time, this light tan color will change to like a dark tan. If you see somebody with a Louis Vuitton bag and it does not fade or change color, it's not real. Wah, wah, wah. So let me put this back how it was. Oh, giving me a hard time. That's fine. I'm just breaking this bad baby in. So, like I said, it came with the wristlet. I'm just going to put the wristlet in the bag also. Nothing's in it yet. but it does have good space also, and it has a red interior just like the bag. Oh, it has a pocket in there too. Okay, the wristlet is very cute. I could see myself just grabbing the wristlet, putting my ID in it, some cash, and my AirPods, and getting out of the door, my keys. And I also purchased a scarf also from Louis Vuitton to go with my bag. The scarf, the lady at the store said she's going to help me tie the scarf onto my purse, but I'm going to attempt on camera for you guys also. So, small cute box. The scarf comes in there. Do I rip this off? I think no, I'm just gonna pull the scarf out. The packaging is so sturdy, I can say that. This is the scarf. It's a Bandeau. You just, oh, you still have a tag on it? Okay. What is this? Let me get it off. Maybe I need a scissor. Oh, I have one right nearby. Okay, look at that. Okay, took the tag off. Okay, the scarf is most likely silk. It feels really like silk. Oh, it is 100% silk. It feels so good. That's all I knew. And I got this color because, again, it matches my purse and it has my favorite colors in it. Black, red, white, tan, like, I love it. So, we're gonna attempt to take this scarf, and I saw the lady do it in the store. I'm not saying that I know what I'm doing. Give me a moment, I'm just gonna zoom the camera in, okay? So you guys can follow along with me. Okay, zoom the camera in. So now I'm just going to attempt to do what I saw her do. I saw her take the scarf and she started wrapping upward. And then I saw her make a knot, I think. I'm already seeing this as it does not look like it. Okay, no. Oh goodness. I think I'm gonna do something simple because I'm only stressing myself out here. So I'm just literally gonna take this and give it a little bow. My bow has no structure to it. Oh my goodness. Okay. One side is too big, one side is too small. Okay. That's fine for now. I'll wear it like that. But isn't it so cute? Oh my goodness. Okay. And there you have it. The unboxing of my new Neverfull MM from Louis Vuitton. And I put the cute little Louis Vuitton scarf on it also. I'm gonna go to the store and let the salesperson tie the scarf on me how she did it in the store. She told me to come back, but we attempted it together. It's not bad, it's cute, it looks, you know, it's still a vibe. And please let me know in the comments if you would like for me to do a what's in my bag video where I tell you exactly what's in the purse and the organizer. Put it in the comments if you want to see that. And I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video and staying tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.